Hey there, so in this video I want to show you how you can get up to 100 free credits here on Lovable. First of all, the easiest way to get free credits is to sign up for a free plan. Therefore, you will find my partner link down here in the video description, and once you've clicked on it and then sign up via the link, then you are on the free plan. And on the free plan you get up to 5 credits per day. You can always see your credits up here. Just click on the drop down and then you can click here, and now you see that you have 5 daily credits and you have up to 30 credits a month. So for example, you can use Lovable 6 days in a row and use 5 daily credits, and then you end up at the 30 credits a month limit. But what if you want to have more credits for free and you don't want to upgrade just yet? There is another trick. You can just click here on go back, and down here you can see that you can share Lovable with a friend or with a colleague, and when you click on it you can see share your link. They sign up and then you get an extra 10 credits, and if they upgrade before you, so they subscribe to a premium plan, then you will get 100 credits. So this is quite nice. You just have to copy the link, and now you can send this link to a friend or a colleague via email, via WhatsApp, or even share it on your social media, for example on LinkedIn. And when people sign up via your link, you get 10 credits, and when they decide to upgrade to a pro plan, you get 100 credits. You can always just view the terms and conditions down here. They describe here how the referral program works, and I think this is a great opportunity to get more credits for your Lovable project. So yeah, just go ahead, sign up for Lovable. You will find my link down in the video description. Then you will have 5 credits per day and 30 credits max per month. And if you need more, you will always find the referral program here on the bottom left. Just click on it, copy the link and send it to a friend. I hope you liked the video and it helps you to get more credits on Lovable. And yeah, if you want to learn more about Lovable, you will find my tutorial here, and I see you in the next video. Bye.